Hi guys, my name is John.
And I'm Nancy.
And we are Amen Acres Homestead.
We are on grid to a journey of living more self-sufficiently off-grid.
We're going to take an adventure with this channel, bring videos for you. Some of the things we want to do is homesteading.
We want to do home renovations and soap making.
Along with that is some solar panels and providing some of our own energy. One of the things that I like to do is woodworking, so we'll be doing some DIY woodworking stuff.
Canning and cooking.
We're going to show videos of gardening. We're also going to do some fun videos of different, just little trips and camping and stuff like that.
Come along with us on our journey
to self-sufficiency and just the fun part of life that we want to show you too. So we ask you to come with us on our journey, and we hope that you will become subscribers and watch our videos. God bless you.
Do what you can where you are.
Thank you guys.